adjust again.
This is for the hem distance. Can be 30 or 90. Now 30. We change it to back to 20 or 0 maybe. This is temperature. Now we use time control. No need to use temperature. And the heat time can be more 6 or 9 or 5. The cooling time, during the cooling time, no electricity, just hold the ceiling, make it stronger. Okay, we can adjust to the position. Then the first step, folding.
To catch the
Here.
oh.
The pedal. Okay, and second, seal.
Oh, I see.
This is the heat time, 5 seconds, and then
Cooling.
yeah.
I see. Can we make it again?
Okay.
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 خدت كل الحركات كده.
Oh.
Second.